All right, tonight we're going to talk about Module 5 real quick and just some little things to keep in mind as you progress through it. Prefixes. Mono means one, bi means two, tri means three. So monomial has one term, binomial has two terms, trinomial has three terms. When you're counting the terms, the number of terms is always one more than the number of addition or subtraction signs, no matter how many variables exist. So I'll show you what I mean by that. The XYZ plus A, B, C, D, E, F minus, okay? Won't even do that. We have all these variables. Don't get confused by it. If you look at that, that's one plus sign. Because there's one plus sign, the number of terms is one more than that. One plus one would be two. So that, my friends, is a binomial. Don't forget that, please. When combining like terms, when adding or subtracting, remember the variables remain the same. What I mean by that is this. If you add 3 apples plus 2 apples, you get 5 apples, not 5 apples squared. So in other words, 3a plus 2a would be 5a, not 5a squared. So whenever you add, all right, whenever you add, make sure your variable stays the same. And don't be afraid to assign a value to the variable. For example, if we make a equal to 2 and plug it back in, we would have 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2 equals 5 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. If you do it correctly, that should be the case. Your value should come out to be the same. Next up, subtracting. Remember to switch all your signs, not just the first sign. All right, laws of exponents. When you multiply, you're going to add your exponents. When you divide, you're going to subtract your exponents. When you raise an exponent to another exponent, you multiply. When doing that, look for parentheses. All right, so for example, down here has parentheses with an exponent being raised to an exponent. That's what it means. But also keep in mind, coefficients do not fall under the law of exponents. They're just regular numbers. So for example, 5x cubed, the expression 5x cubed squared, the 5 is squared, not 5 times 2. So 5 squared would be 25. All right. But the variables go by the law of exponents rules. So there we multiply. 3 times 2 would be 6. So my final answer would be 25x to the 6th. So when you're dealing with coefficients, those are just regular number rules. All right, I hope these little tidbits helped. Best of luck to you. Let me know if you need anything. Have yourself a great week. Good luck.